Hello guys. So everybody wants a bird like Leo. So I will tell you about him. They are very hard to take care of, and yeah. So I'll tell you more. Let me show you the trick he learned. He took a poo. He can kiss. Okay, look. Watch this. See? So, Leo is a conure, and he is 5 months old.
No.
Yeah, he is.
Not anymore.
How old is he now?
6 months.
He's now 6 months old, and he wants some of this. He wants some trail mix. No, Leo. So Leo is doing this right now. We're doing a little vlog because he just took a poo. So let me go grab him. Let me put him right here. Just go, Leo, and let me go get something. Leo, Kobe. Sorry, I get so distracted. Just need to grab some toilet paper. Leo is hard to take care of. People say birds are so easy to take care of. Not Leo. My brother is sleeping. He was drinking milk. Okay. So here is Leo, 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 Leo. I need to clean his cage, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Back. So I just cleaned Leo's cage. Just kidding, I didn't. I'm actually gonna clean it. Be right back. And we have Leo. So, let me just show you my Leo boy. He prefers, well, he used to like being on your shoulder, but now he likes to be on your arm. So Leo's a troublemaker. Do you want to do a video?
Nope. Get that phone out of here. Did Mom allow you?